can't keep us in here! Open up! I will tear you fuckers apart with my bare hands!
We gotta find another way out of here!
You sick fucking bastards! Open this door, god damn it! I will knock the goddamn door down!
It was a person. I ate meat from a person. Does that mean I'm gonna turn into...
No, Clem, it doesn't work like that.
If he would have stopped us in time!
Come on, Dad. Now's not the time.
Et voilà, bienvenue à tous sur ce 5e épisode sur KO Gaming.
You okay, Clementine?
On va lui demander si elle va bien.
Open up!
Et lui, il est toujours aussi taré.
This goddamn film sucker was the one who brought us here!
Will you all just shut the fuck up?
I'm scared.
Don't be. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna find us a way out of here.
Allez, c'est parti les amis. Donc un petit rappel de la dernière fois, nous étions réfugiés dans une ferme en quittant le motel. On a demandé à 2 personnes, on a fait un petit troc en fait. Ils demandaient de l'essence et nous on demandait de la nourriture. Et on a décidé d'aller à leur ferme. On y est allé, en échange de petits services, réparer la clôture et machin. Ils nous donnaient protection et nourriture. Pendant cette lourde tâche, notre ami Marc s'est fait tirer dessus par une flèche par des gens qui vivent dans la forêt en face, qui veulent se venger de on ne sait quoi. Marc est allé dans cette ferme où on nous promet protection, soins et nourriture, et on s'est aperçu que lors du repas qu'on mangeait de la viande.
Dad, you can't get...
Oh putain, il manquait plus que ça, tiens.
Easy.
J'aurais mieux fait de le bouffer lui.
No. Dad, come on. Dad! Oh God, he stopped breathing. I think he's had a heart attack.
Shit. Is he dead?
He's not dead. Somebody help me.
Fuck. If he's dead...
He's not dead.
What has to happen, Lee? Think about it. You saw that poor bastard at the motel? How fast he turned?
What are you saying?
Lily, I'm sorry. I truly am. But in a few minutes, we're gonna be stuck in a locked room with a 6'4", 300-pound, seriously pissed off dead guy.
Fuck you. We can bring him back.
Oh putain,
Lee!
We'll mourn him later. But right now, we have to keep him from coming back.
No! God damn it, Kenny. He's not dead.
On peut pas le tuer s'il n'est pas mort, il peut encore le sauver, tu as peut-être raison.
We can't kill him if he's not dead, Kenny.
Remember how hard it was for you to get that monster off of Katya? And Larry's twice his size. It's him or us.
Look, Kenny, back at the drugstore when we all thought Duck was bitten, I gave him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe we should do the same now.
That was different. Duck wasn't bitten. But come on, we know this guy's not gonna make it.
Bah, il a pas été
Remember
mordu lui
what
non
Ben
plus.
said. Gotta destroy the brain. Come on, Lee. You can't be in the middle on this one. You gotta have my back this time.
God damn it, Lee. I need you. Please help me. Come on, Dad. Come on. Wake up. Wake up.
Oh putain, il s'est minuté en plus. Moi je vais aider Lily.
Is he breathing at all?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, let me take over. Keep checking his pulse.
Qu'est-ce qu'il va faire?
Are you stupid? He's gonna turn. You're putting all of us at risk,
1,
you son of a bitch.
2,
You're fucking
3.
worthless, Lee.
Oh
No!
Sérieux?
What the fuss? I'm so sorry. It had to be done.
You don't know that!
Yes, I do, Lee. And so do you. I was counting on you, man. I'm sorry. I know.
Don't you fucking touch me!
Are you okay?
Oh là là, la boucherie.
Is it over?
Oui, pour le moment.
Yes, for now. But we still need to find a way out of here.
Donc on a bouffé de la chair humaine.
I know. But you gotta be strong right now.
Et on s'est
I
fait
need you
assommer.
to be strong.
Et enfermé
Think
là-dedans.
about something else. Something Hopeful.
Like what?
Ton talkie-walkie.
How about your walkie-talkie? Those pretend talks with your mom and dad. Don't those make you feel better?
Sometimes. We're gonna get out, right? You found a way out?
I'm working on it.
On a vraiment envie de s'occuper de cette petite. Enfin, moi, c'est mon ressenti. Il y a vraiment un effort fait là-dessus.
I know it was necessary, but I just wish Clem didn't have to witness shit like this. I worry what it's gonna do to her.
Bon, Kenny.
I don't want to hear it, Lee. You think I like doing what I did? I'm the guy who couldn't bear to watch the family dog get put down. But if we want to survive this shit, we gotta have the balls to do the hard thing. Or at least one of us has got to.
Je pourrais tuer Katia ou Duck.
You talk a big game, but could you do the hard thing if it was Katya or Duck?
It's never gonna come to that. Not if I have anything to do with it.
For all we know, the St. John's might have...
No! They need Katya, remember? She's the whole reason they brought us here. And no doubt they're using Duck as a bargaining chip.
I hope you're right.
I know I'm right. I just gotta get to him, that's all.
Ok. Oh, le Larry, là, il est foutu, là. Au moins, il arrêtera de nous gueuler dessus.
I'm sorry, Lily.
Mais bon.
Still alive, Lee. He was still alive.
Kenny, si nous protéger, il faut que tu penses à ta propre vie. Larry était un bon père. Il faut que tu penses à ta propre vie.
Saving your own life now. It's what he would have wanted.
Please. I need to be alone.
God knows you deserve time to grieve, Lily.
Bon. Et moi, il va falloir que je trouve quelque chose pour
There
examiner
ought to
l'air
be an air
conditionné.
duct behind this unit. Maybe big enough for one of us to fit through.
Does the air conditioner come off?
I think I could take it off if I had something to remove the screws. The multi-tool. Of course they took it. Shit.
Maybe there's something else we could use. I've got a rock.
Ah, rock won't help. But a coin might do the trick. Do you have a coin?
Vis. Je vais pas regarder la vis.
It's not coming off that way.
Ok. Voilà, j'imagine que c'est une autre vis, voilà.
It's not coming off that way.
Je peux examiner, mais en fait, non. Bon, il me faut une pièce.
I'm sorry, Lily.
Il n'y a pas une pièce, Larry? Non.
I know it was necessary, but I just wish Clem didn't have to
Ouais, mais
witness
bon.
shit like this.
Il faut que je
I
trouve
wonder
une
what it's gonna do
pièce.
to her.
Bon, Ekini, j'ai besoin d'une pièce.
Listen, I need a coin or something. It's important. It could get us out of here.
Well, I got nothing.
On va lui dire qu'il faut qu'on travaille ensemble.
Look, if we're gonna survive this shit, we've got to work together. How do you expect Lily to work with us after what she just saw you do?
If she wants to live, she'll work with us. If she doesn't, then the hell with her.
Bon, il est un peu dur quand même, hein. Bon. Trouver une pièce dans ce merdier.
Please. I need to be alone.
God knows you deserve time to grieve, Lily.
Ouais, mais là,
But
je
if we're
trouve.
gonna get out of here, we need your help. And Larry's. I think I may have found a way out of here. But
Ah.
I need something to remove the screws on the air conditioner. If you had something I could use as a screwdriver, a coin or something.
No.
what about him? Look, I know this is a terrible time for it, but back at the motor inn, Larry mentioned something about
Yes,
keeping
that's
coins in
it.
his pockets.
What do you want? My blessing to loot his corpse?
Your permission.
Do what you have to do.
Bon.
Oh boy.
Et il l'a pas
Any
loupé.
idea
Hein.
which pocket he keeps his change in?
J'étais sûr que c'était sur la rive.
Oui.
J'ai trouvé ça.
My mother's.
Blague.
Don't worry, I'm not taking it. Here we go. 2 quarters. And a dime.
Voilà.
Just gotta remove these screws and get this unit off.
Avec des pièces, ça va être chaud quand même, mais bon.
It's not coming
Merde, je me
off
suis
that way.
trompé de touche. Là.
Hurry the fuck up, Lee. We don't have all day here.
Ça va, je fais ce que je peux, mec, hein, t'as qu'à m'aider aussi.
There's our way out, Lee.
Clémentine Petit ouvrier, c'est trop étroit pour survivre, on ne sait pas où ça mène.
Looks like it'll probably lead right into that back room.
It's too small for us to fit through.
I can do it.
Ah, ça m'emmerde. Tu penses que tu peux le faire? Je vais lui demander.
You think you can do this?
I'm scared.
It's okay to be scared.
We need you, Clementine.
Okay.
You're gonna be fine.
What do I do when I get out?
See if you can get to the other side of that door and open it.
Oh putain. Ça me fait peur. Bon, en tout cas, l'intrigue est vraiment au rendez-vous dans ce jeu. Hein. C'est vraiment une belle expérience. Il n'y a pas d'autre mot. C'est ce que je pense. Alors, est-ce qu'elle va ouvrir? Apparemment, oui.
Okay. Did anyone see you?
No, but there's a man outside.
Where the hell are you going?
What do you care?
Kenny!
Il commence à me gonfler le Kenny là.
Lily, I'm sorry. We gotta go.
I know. I just need a minute to say goodbye. Hey, we're good. Okay?
Yeah, this is good.
Qu'est-ce que
Shit,
tu fais?
he's gonna get us all killed. Stay here. Take care of Lily, okay?
I will.
Oh là là. Putain. C'est pas bien de se séparer. Oui, ils pourront le manger tranquillement, Larry. Ah, bah on est revenu là-dedans. Ah.
I told you there was something up with this room. It's a goddamn human slaughterhouse.
Bon, examinons la chose, parce que la dernière fois je n'avais pas pu. Crochet à foin. On prend. Le boco, c'est là où il y a des cerveaux.
Ugh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Voilà. Là, c'est là où est passé...
I shouldn't have sent Clementine through there. This room would give anybody nightmares.
Clémentine, voilà. Scie
God,
électrique.
what's wrong with these people?
Ils sont vraiment tarés quand même. Hein. Mini pic à bétail. Ça peut être utile. Ah, j'ai le choix. Crochet à foin ou mini pic à bétail. Faucille. D'accord. Ça, c'est pas mal, ça.
Jesus, this is where they butcher people.
Sick bastards. All of them.
D'accord. Parler à Kenny, mini pic à bétail. Ah, fantastique. Utiliser porte. Ah, je peux revenir en arrière. Crochet à foin. Je vais garder la faucille. Pas mal.
Nobody's safe in here for now.
D'accord. Bon, ben, parlons à Kenny. J'ai le choix entre la porte ou Kenny. Kenny.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Getting my family back.
What are you gonna do? Walk up and grab his gun?
Good a plan as any.
Moi, j'ai choisi mon arme. Hein. Ah, il est avec Charlotte. On va le massacrer, les amis.
Hey, what are you doing outside the barn? Oh, shit.
Merde.
Just guarding the place like you said.
We're sitting out in the rain like a damn deer. Mama says we can't keep that many folks alive and not expect trouble. Pick one to keep and kill the rest.
Quoi?
Not the kid. We must lead on the trail. What's he doing out there?
Oh, I know, neighbor. This is my favorite part, too. When I let one think they can just walk right
Take
out,
him out together.
I never even look down.
He's gonna walk past us to get to the meat locker. We can take him out when his back is to us. See what he's doing now.
Lee, talk to me. What do you see?
Nothing.
Hey, keep your eye open.
Putain. J'ai mis 3 plombes. Allez, on recommence. Le temps de réaction. Là. Et fais quelque chose, toi. Ah, c'est elle. Merci. Bon, il reste 2 malades sur les 3.
You see? You understand now, don't you? You can have me. It's how the world works now. Give part of yourself so others can live.
I should fucking kill you right now.
Alors que t'as jamais voulu être mangé, c'est pour ça que tu as tué cette femme du cannibalisme.
Mark never volunteered to be food!
You gotta keep me alive. If you kill me, the meat gets tainted. You can't eat it.
You're already tainted.
You ain't gonna kill me. Just like he didn't kill Jolene. You don't have what it takes. Fucking coward.
Ah ouais, j'ai pas ce qu'il faut. En fait, je dois choisir soit le buter, soit le foin. Bah, franchement, il voulait tuer Clem. Dégage. J'ai vu, mais bon.
Katja!
Just go. I'll keep Clementine safe.
C'était le plus horrible des trois, lui. Hein. Oh là là, chaque choix est déterminant, c'est dingue. Hein. Prendre Charlotte.
Kenny!
Kenny, à mon avis, est déjà dans la maison. Ah, je croyais que je devais bouger, mais non. Oh, il y a bien des zombies qui vont nous faire chier, bah voilà. Ah, je l'avais oublié, elle.
Lee?
Ow!
Is everyone okay? You guys have been gone way too long.
Janet, va-t'en, ils nous ont attaqué.
They attacked us! I knew it! I told you we couldn't trust them!
Shit! How many of them are there?
2 left!
Where?
Larry's dead! They chopped off Mark's legs and tried to feed him to us!
Shit! Is everyone else okay?
They've still got Duck and Katja in the house, and I don't know where the fuck Kenny is.
All right, we're coming in to help.
The main gate is too dangerous. Go around the fence and see if there's a back way in. I'll keep looking for Kenny. Do you have a weapon?
I don't leave home without it. Ben, stick close. And Lee, be careful.
Je pense que si j'avais pris le truc électrique, je l'aurais juste assommé. Tais-toi et il ira bien.
I'm gonna take the boy, take a rest.
No, please don't take my boy.
Let's go, woman.
Settle down. I don't want to hurt y'all.
Andy? Danny, is that you? What's going on out there?
Yeah, it's me.
Merde,
Come here. Let me go.
j'aurais essayé.
Lee, get back! Don't come in here. You just had to go snooping around, didn't ya?
Let her go, Brenda.
Merde. Mais je ne peux faire qu'avancer, donc j'ai pas trop le choix.
Please, please don't you take another step.
Brenda, come on now. You know you don't want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be.
Bah, allez, laisse-moi tranquille. Ouais, mais je peux rien faire d'autre, donc... Je peux juste avancer, c'est tout.
Stop right there, I mean it.
Parler à Brenda. On n'est pas obligé d'arriver là.
Think about what you do. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee. Just let me go.
C'est moi ou il y a Marc au-dessus là?
Stay back! Don't do anything stupid! No! I told you to stop! I told you!
Alors attendez, j'ai pas compris là. Oui, je sais que je suis mort, mais...
You just had to go snooping around, didn't ya?
Let her go, Brenda.
Ça fait 2 fois que je suis mort. Bon, la première fois c'était de la connerie parce que je trouvais pas
Don't you take another
le curseur.
step.
Mais là,
Come on
là,
now.
par contre,
You
je
know
ne
you
sais
don't
pas.
want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be.
va essayer
Put
le
the
rond.
gun down, bitch!
I told you to stop! I told you!
Bon, on sait qu'il faut pas appuyer sur rond. Bon, déjà, ma première prestation était bonne.
You just had to go snooping around, didn't you?
Let her go, Brenda!
Please don't you take another step.
Brenda, come on now. You know you don't want to do this.
Oui, on sait,
Just go
on sait.
away and leave us be. Stop right there, I mean it.
Alors, on n'est pas obligé d'en arriver
Think
là.
about what you do. It doesn't have to end like this.
Recule.
I'll kill her, Lee.
Just let me go.
Et l'autre là, pourquoi il est là? Parce que si j'avance, c'est foutu. J'ai rien d'autre. J'ai aucun élément. Je ne peux qu'avancer. Je peux même pas reculer non plus. On va essayer d'avancer, mais le plus doucement possible. Toujours aucun élément.
Stay back. Don't do anything stupid. I told you to stop. I told you.
Ou alors je vais y aller direct quoi. Parce que là je vois pas.
You just
vais y aller en
had to
courant.
go snooping around, didn't you?
Let her go, Brenda.
Ah, ok.
Please,
Je suis sûr que c'est
please
Marc
don't
en
you
haut.
take another step.
Brenda, come on now. You know you don't want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be.
Là j'attends qu'il y ait...
Stop right there, I mean it.
Là, par là, Brenda. On n'est pas obligé
Think
d'en
about what
arriver
you
là.
do. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee.
Just let me go.
Stay back. Don't do anything stupid. I told you to stop. I told you.
Alors, je ne peux pas courir. Mais alors, qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire?
You just had to go
Je n'ai
snooping around, didn't you?
aucun
Go, Brenda.
moyen de faire quoi que ce soit.
Please don't you take another step.
Brenda, come on now. You know you don't want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be.
Elle me fait chier, elle.
Stop right there, I mean it.
Think about what
Hey.
you do. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee.
Just let me go.
Putain, et l'autre, il peut pas la choper. J'essaie de viser le zombie au-dessus, mais...
Stay back. Don't do anything stupid.
Ah, voilà. Lâche-la, Brenda.
Go, Brenda.
Please, listen to me.
I'll do it.
Please.
Putain, il reste encore une étape. Faut qu'elle doute. Faut la faire reculer encore. J'avance tout doucement et dès qu'elle dit encore quelque chose, il faut arrêter d'avancer.
I don't want to kill you, Lee.
Je n'ai pas le courage. N'envenime pas les choses.
Please don't make this any worse.
Just stop.
Allez, allez. Ah putain, c'est pas fini encore. Juste horrible. Laisse-moi. Marc, il est pas loin. Je suis juste à côté. Là.
They took Doug! Where's Kenny?
I said, don't move, asshole! Don't you fucking hurt him!
Oh my god!
Let him go, goddammit! That ain't gonna happen!
Andy, don't!
Shut up!
Allez, encore un taré et c'est bon. Il va falloir faire la même chose. Ferme ta gueule, tu peux t'en prendre que toi-même. Tu peux t'en prendre que
Brought
toi-même.
this on yourself.
No, you did this. All we wanted was a little gas to keep ourselves safe.
Oh putain! J'ai cru que je m'étais planté de touche.
Get up! Get the fuck up!
Allez! Allez! N'aidez pas les autres! Oh putain! C'est horrible! Bienvenue sur Karaoke Epic! Ah! Oh, j'en chie, putain! Non! Non, c'est impossible! Ah! Lily! S'il te plaît! Ah! Point. Bah, point. À gauche. À droite. À gauche. À droite. À gauche. À droite. C'est bon? Il faut que je continue.
Is that all you got, Lee? You ain't shit! It's over! Fuck you! As soon as Dad and Mama get out here, you're all fucked!
It's over! Just walk away!
Don't you dare walk away from me, Lee!
Pourquoi?
Get back here and finish this, Lee!
Non, je ne te finirai pas, toi. Moi, je pars sans aucun regret.
Get back here and fight me like a man, Lee!
Je vais épargner la vie d'Andy.
Lee!
They're getting in!
Lee!
Let's go.
Et je pense que ça va être la fin de la partie 2. Du chapitre 2. Je suis à 34 minutes, ce serait bien que ça continue un petit peu. Voilà, tu te bats comme un fermier. J'ai tué le fou furieux, au final, c'est ce que je voulais.
Hey, Lee. I'd say I'm sorry for leaving the motel unattended, but, you know.
I'm glad you showed up when you did. If you hadn't taken that shot at Andy, we might not have gotten out of there.
Were they really killing people? For food?
Ouais, c'était le cas. Ouais, Clémentine a mangé, on aurait dû se méfier.
Yeah, and Clementine ate some. Oh, it's my fault. I panicked and didn't stop her.
Il y a
My
des gens.
God. Does she know?
She's not stupid, Carly.
Katja managed to grab this while she was in the house. She said it was with your stuff.
Hein?
Yeah. I found it while I was looking for the people who shot Mark. Do you want it?
Why don't you keep it? Sometimes it helps to have something you can document your thoughts on.
How are you doing?
I'll be fine. Just not as young as I used to be. Hun, go on ahead and give me and Lee a second.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il va me dire, lui?
There's gonna be fallout.
Guerre du grabuge.
For killing Lily's dad? Yeah, I would imagine so.
Ouais, c'est clair que là, la guéguerre,
What
elle
do
va
you
monter.
think?
Tu n'es
You're
pas un
no
héros.
hero. You destroyed 2 lives in that meat locker. Kenny, you're not a bad man, but fuck. What the hell are we gonna do now? Come on, Clementine. Stay close.
Lee, did you have to kill those men?
Yes, they were bad men, Clementine. They killed Mark and they were gonna kill all of us. They had to be stopped. Understand?
Yes, I think so.
Hey, Dad. What's that noise?
Encore une
Sounds
surprise.
like a car. Oh god, not more strangers.
Et où est Lily? Là, je suis sûr qu'il y a encore les gars de la forêt, là. Ah, il y a quelqu'un qui répond ici pour vous aider.
We're here to help!
Oh putain, s'approcher lentement de la voiture. J'ai le joystick enfoncé au minimum. Tellement au minimum qu'il s'arrête. Je ne vois pas d'interaction. Je suis sûr que c'est un zombie.
Figures.
Oh crap. Baby, you gotta see this. There's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
This food could save all of us. Not all of us.
Pourquoi? Ah, je m'en doutais.
Look, we don't know if these people are dead.
If they come back, then we're just monsters who came out of the woods and ruined their lives.
This stuff isn't ours.
Dad, whose car is it?
Don't worry about that, Duck. It's ours now.
It's abandoned, Ducky. Don't worry.
What if it's not? What if it's not abandoned? What if it is someone's?
Oh, j'en sais rien.
You're right.
Allez.
We shouldn't take this.
What? Did you get some meal back there the rest of us missed out on? We have to take this stuff.
Je suis déchaîné aujourd'hui, hein. Je ne veux pas m'en mêler.
Clementine and I don't want any part of this.
We're starving. Suit yourself. The rest of us are taking this stuff. Okay, what have we got in here? Look, there's more food in that box.
They have antibiotics. What else do they have?
See if there's any water.
Here. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Lee, there's a hoodie in here. Could probably fit Clementine.
Non, elle le veut pas.
She's good. Thanks.
Whatever, man. It's gonna get cold out eventually.
Hey, there were some batteries in one of those boxes. I thought they might work in your camcorder. Here, you can have some too. For your walkie-talkie.
Batteries, huh? Think you can handle those?
You're not gonna let me live that down, are you? Oh, God. Lee, you're gonna want to see this.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Oh, shit.
Ça sent la fin du chapitre, bien entendu. Ah oui, on a été filmé. Je me demande si c'est pas Jolene. C'est sûr.
Jake, Bart, Linda, and all y'all fucking sickos from the save lots! They call y'all bandits, but you're fucking raping more! Oh, darling baby, look at you. Look at you. You need a mama, sweetheart. We won't let them bandits get you with
Hein?
Clementine,
Okay,
where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If
Y'all
I find
thinking
it,
you're
I'll
safe?
let you know.
Sitting there acting like things are the way they used to be.
Mais
The
j'étais sûr que
dead
c'était
don't
elle.
kill their own. It's the living you gotta be afraid of. The people I used to call friends. The people who took... Don't worry, little girl. Bandits got their eye on that dairy. As long as they keep getting food from them, you'll be safe. I promise.
D'accord. Et voilà, c'est la fin de l'épisode. Alors, qu'est-ce qui nous attend?
It's time to move on. Screw it. Not like you ever listen to a damn word I say.
Is this all you got?
I told you this town is tapped. Do you have any idea what we had to do to get all that?
On revient
We need
dans
to
le
leave.
drugstore, on doit partir.
Duck was asking about the farm last night. Not much phases left. It's starting to add up. I need to get to the coast. Get him out of all this madness. Lily's not doing so good, huh?
You murdered her dad.
I did what I had to, and you know it. Maybe people out there got things lined up better. Better than us, at least. Could be folks who have all this shit figured out.
Do people get mad when they're scared?
Sometimes, yeah, they do.
This is crazy. I'm the one keeping this group going.
We can sort this all out, all right? We can sort this out.
I'll tell you what we need to sort out. We can't let one person fuck this up for everyone else.
Ok, super. Bon, je sais pas ce que vous avez pensé, mais j'ai trouvé ce deuxième épisode beaucoup plus complet que le premier. Alors, Sauveur, vous et 43% des joueurs à couper la jambe de David. Ah oui, oui, les petits étudiants là. Donc, je fais partie de la minorité. Vous et 60% des joueurs allez écouter avant que Danny ne lui tire dessus. Ah, sur Jolene, d'accord. Donc, ok. Là, c'est 50-50. A aidé à tuer Larry. Vous et 50% des joueurs essayaient de le sauver. Donc, Larry était condamné déjà. Revanche, a tué les deux frères Saint John. Vous et 61% des joueurs n'a pas tué les deux frères. Non, pas tué les deux frères, ce serait mieux. Oui, j'en ai tué un. Survie, à voler de la nourriture dans la voiture. Vous et 48% des joueurs ont choisi de ne pas prendre de provisions. Voilà, j'ai pensé aux représailles, mais aussi à une potentielle maladie qui pourrait nous toucher. C'est pour ça que je n'ai pas pris. Et en plus, Clémentine était de mon côté, donc Voilà pourquoi j'ai choisi ça. Donc je disais, j'ai trouvé cet épisode 2 beaucoup plus complet que le premier. On a une intrigue, on va dire que les 1 posaient les bases des personnages, hein, bien sûr. Hein. Maintenant qu'on avait une équipe à peu près entre guillemets au complet, on voit qu'il y a des clans déjà, et on a des choix vraiment décisifs qui mettent en péril les relations qu'on peut avoir entre l'un et l'autre. J'ai trouvé la ration de la nourriture vraiment très très dure à s'occuper, à prendre comme décision. Et bon, le script m'a un petit peu aidé, puisque je voulais me faire manger les femmes et les enfants. Et bon, au final, je pense avoir fait le bon choix, mais voilà. Là, ici, on revient au meurtre là, des frères, que j'ai trouvé vraiment saugrenu, hein, la famille là. Franchement, j'étais loin de savoir qu'ils étaient comme ça, hein, au tout début. Alors, je suis peut-être naïf, mais en tout cas, j'ai trouvé le rebondissement très très bien. Et dans le choix de tuer l'un ou l'autre, je trouvais... comment il s'appelle déjà? Andy et Danny. Voilà, je trouvais Danny beaucoup plus malfaisant, infâme, et en plus c'est lui qui nous a assommés, que Andy. Je trouvais Andy, on va dire, un peu plus humain. C'est pour ça que je l'ai laissé à son triste sort. Danny, il me faisait flipper là avec ses citations, enfin ses paroles, à chouchouter son fusil. Enfin, c'était pas... Enfin, voilà. Et puis, bon, bah, la mère, c'était scripté pour que Mark la bute. Donc voilà. Bon, c'est vrai que j'ai eu un peu de mal avec la mère, en ce qui concerne le gameplay, mais bon. Je m'en suis pas trop mal sorti. Puis, bah, Danny qui me tue une fois, mais j'ai mis 3 plombs à trouver le curseur. Donc, voilà. On a combien? On a 47 minutes. Je vais pas commencer à... un bout d'épisode maintenant, donc je vais m'arrêter là. On se dit à la prochaine pour la suite de nos aventures sur The Walking Dead, et donc le 3e chapitre sur cette grande série. Allez, salut les amis!